Hi, in this quick video I will be showing you how to replace your rear globes in an Mercedes ml320. This applies to chassis w164 Mercedes. Thank you for watching. In order to remove your rear bulbs, locate these two knobs, I guess, in the back and the boot of the vehicle. They rotate left to remove, as you can see, and just pull the cover off. After that, you can see the two flat screws. As you can see here, they are already in the unlocked position, but otherwise just rotate and unlock it and just pull it off. After pulling it off, you can easily access all of the bulbs, locate the one that is blown or has issues, and as soon as you do so, just rotate it left and it will pop out. After that, take the bulb out by also turning it slightly and it will just pop out. Then put the other one in and just turn it clockwise until it clips into place. You can hear a slight click when it's locked in. After that, reassemble. On the other side, it is pretty much the same. It's just missing one of the panels, the plastic panels, as it doesn't have a speaker on this side. So just locate those two flat clips, I guess, and turn them and it will unlock it, and then you can just pry it open. After removing this panel, you can easily access all of the bulbs just like the other side and remove them in the same way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions for other videos, please let me know in the comments below, and would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you.